Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to use multiple Roblox accounts on your PC without signing in every time you want to switch accounts. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us grow. Now let's get started. Open the Roblox website in your browser and sign into your account. If you're already signed in, click the settings icon in the top right corner. Then click Switch Accounts. If you haven't added another account yet, click Add Account. Now sign in with your second Roblox account. Once both accounts have been added, you can switch between them anytime with just one click. Simply select the account you want to use. Next, open any game you want to play. Then click the Play button. Your browser will ask if you want to open the Roblox app. Click Open Roblox to continue. Even if a different Roblox account is currently signed in inside the desktop app, don't worry. The game will automatically launch using the account you selected on the Roblox website. This makes it much easier to manage multiple Roblox accounts without logging in and out every time. That's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, and I'll see you in the next one. To continue.